What is up, Hollywood stars? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing Maleficent. So this is my interpretation of it. I feel like it came out pretty cool, so definitely check out the video or just finish watching the video if you want to see how I achieved this look. So, and as always, don't forget to shine bright because it's slow Hollywood time. Okay guys, so let's get started. So hopefully the background noise isn't too distracting because I do have my laundry going, so hopefully it's like okay. But we're gonna do Maleficent today. I'm so excited. So I did kind of start doing my brows, and I also primed the eyelids using a little bit of concealer, and now we're gonna jump into some tape. So I'm gonna grab some tape, and again we're just gonna put it in the back of our hand. That way some of the stickiness can go away, and then I want to do like a very sharp edge, so that's how we're going to use this guy. I also just got out of the shower, so that's why I have this. Okay, so I have both of my tapes in, so now let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead and take this brush, 411 brush. And for today's palette, we're going to dig into the Morphe 35M palette. So this is what it looks like. It's so beautiful. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm going to do just like a little transition shade first. So let's go ahead and use this little brown shade right there. So I'm going to just grab some of this shade and just start to apply it into the crease, just to help us with the transition of the black. So yeah, I'm going to be doing like a very black, like smoky eye, like legit black. So now we're going to jump into this darker brown shade. And I'm using the same brush, and we're just going to start to deepen up the crease a little bit, start creating that gradient effect. I'm going to go back into that first shade that we used just so we can blend out these edges up here, making sure everything looks nice and seamless. Okay, so now we're going to start to dig into the black shade, and we're just going to take it nice and slow, start out here in the outer corners, and just work our way in. Okay, so usually with black smoky eyes, like legit like black lid, usually it tends to crease on me, so we're gonna go ahead and add some gel black eyeliner. So this is by L'Oreal, and we're just gonna add a little bit of this to the lid area, and it doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna be covering up with eyeshadow. This one's kind of dried up actually, but it should still work. Okay, so now we're going to take a packing brush and we're going to dig into the black shade, and there's actually this other shade in here that has like little specks of like red. So it's like a black shimmer. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I kind of want to use that one. So maybe we'll do this one all over the lid. Perfect. So now go back to the Morphe M411, grab just a little bit of black, and just start to blend out these top edges. I'm going to take a little bit more of the brown shade, and I'm just going to add it up here. Okay, now I'm going to take some of this Champagne Shimmery shade right here, and I'm just going to pop this up here in the brow bone. Okay, and then go back to your M411. Make sure that there's no product on it, and then just kind of blend out the edges. So I am going to take some liner. So this is my Tarteist liner. And we're just going to draw a little line right here by the lash line, just to kind of tight line everything. Yes, sharp. I'm gonna go ahead and just take a makeup wipe. That way I can clean up any of this fallout that I got. I'm also going to be adding some mascara to my top lashes. I'm going to do my base for my makeup, and I will be right back to show you the finishing touches. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I did the foundation and the concealer. So now I'm going to go ahead and set the under eyes. So I'm going to be using this powder by MAC. This is the NC15. I always use this one because it's bomb, and I love how light it looks under the eyes. So I'm just going to use the sponge and just start to pack it under the eyes. Okay, I'm going to use this really small brush, and we're going to use Hoola by Benefit. And we're going to start to do the cheekbones. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and start up here from the temples. My NC15 powder, and with a small brush I'm gonna just kind of clean up these edges a little bit, just to make the cheekbones more defined. So it's kind of like baking. My Anastasia times M-Ready and just do a little bit on the tip of the nose and on the bridge, a little bit here. I'm going to take a black eyeliner and just do the waterline. I'm also going to pop on some 35 lashes by MAC. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of this brown shade just underneath the lower lash line. Add a little bit of black just to tight line the lower lash line. Okay, so Maleficent has green eyes and I clearly don't, so I still want to incorporate some green in there. So I'm going to go into this beautiful lime green shade and just pop it in the inner corner. And then I'm going to grab some of this shimmery green shade. Maybe I'll mix both of these, and I'm going to just add it right in here so that I could look a little bit more dimensional. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I feel like this cheek came out better than this one, but I feel like it still looks pretty cool. And I have a surprise for you guys. I did cut up some horns because I didn't have the actual like Maleficent horns that, you know, like the ones I sell, or I couldn't really make like legit ones. So I decided to just cut them up with some black paper, and this was actually a MAC bag. So let me show you guys. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!